Right, so I'm going to show you how to make cyanotypes. Woohoo! So have you decided on a negative that you want to use?
Yeah.
Excellent. Which one is it? The plough. Fantastic. Now in that pad there is pre-prepared paper. So if you take the paper, one of the sheets out and stick that on there. Okay, and then put the negative on top. Now I took this photograph, so I know which way it goes, and that's the right way. Sometimes you can just play around with it, but if you've taken the photo and you're aware of which way it goes, then you'll probably want to do the same thing with the cyanotype. Then take the other sheet of glass and put the glass on top so that it keeps it nice and flat, so you don't get any sort of fuzzy lines or anything. Now we're going to stick this box. Is that okay? You happy with that?
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to stick this box over the top of it. So you grab one end. I'll put some handles on it so you can use it. So that's fantastic. And then we just put that over the top and we make sure that the print is in the middle. So happy with that?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. Now the UV light, if you grab that and stick that in there, it's a bit of a tight squeeze, but it does fit. That'll do. That's in. Okay, now grab my phone over there because you're going to need a timer for this bit. Okay, so we want to set the timer for this one for around about 12 minutes. Okay, so when you switch it on, I'll start timing.
Okay.
Ready?
Go.
Okay. Excellent. Right, so switch it off. Top piece of glass off. And then the negative. Oh, that looks cool. So you can see underneath the negative image.
Mm-hmm.
What we need to do now is go upstairs to the bathroom and wash it off. Let's do it. Let's rock and roll. And then just give that a bit of a wash down. And you can see it starting to come through. And then we keep going until it goes really sort of dark blue. That's looking pretty good. Turn it over. Let's have a look at your picture. Wow, that's pretty cool. It's now dry, and there's your picture.
That's good.
How fantastic is that? It needs a frame. So, luckily enough, I've got a frame and a mount here. So what do you think?
Looks good.
Looks good. It looks excellent. What are you talking about? And there it is, finished. And that's it.